Hi everyone. Most people like to talk about sport or what they do in their free time, but should we be using the verb play, do or go? So we're going to talk about sport and make sure it's a nice smooth word, sport. We don't want to say sport or something like that. So when do we use play? Well, we use play when it's a game with two teams or two people and often involves using a ball and maybe uses a racket or a bat as well. So common examples, we're going to say play football, play basketball, play netball, play golf, play volleyball, play tennis, play pool. I like to play cards like potdeng and dummy, but I never gamble. I like to play board games. I like to play chess. We also use play for musical instruments, and musical instruments describe everything that we use to make music. So we would say, I play guitar, I play piano, I play the drums, I play the saxophone. So when should we not use the verb play? Especially with examples that sometimes we use the equivalent of play in Thai language. Well, we wouldn't say play Facebook or play the internet. We're more likely to say surf the internet or check Facebook or even just look at Facebook. We wouldn't say play line. We're more likely to say chat online, chat with my friends online. So let's now move on to when we want to use a form of the verb do. We use do when we don't need so much specialist equipment like a bat or a ball. And we also use do for individual sports rather than team sports. The other time we use do is when we're talking about fighting. For example, we do yoga. Notice that pronunciation, yoga. We do exercise. We do gymnastics. We do boxing. We do martial arts like karate and judo. We also do puzzles. So I like to do crossword puzzles to improve my vocabulary. But I can't do the Rubik's Cube, which was so popular a few years ago. Or sometimes I might say, I can't solve the Rubik's Cube. And finally, let's look at those sports or things we like to do in our free time where we should use the verb go. We use go together with sports that end with ing. We like to go running, go jogging, go swimming, go skiing, go sailing, go cycling, go fishing, go bowling. And we also say we like to go dancing. So what about boxing? That ends with ing. Well, there's always an exception in English. That's what makes it so interesting. And as I said before, we usually say do boxing or simply use it as a verb and say, I like to box. You can also use the other sports that end in ing in their verb form. So you could say, I like to swim, or I like to run, or I like to jog, or I like to cycle. So everyone, what do you like to do in your free time? Let me know in the comments section below. I like to watch YouTube, and in particular I like to watch Love English Thailand. If you do too, don't forget to subscribe everyone. But for today, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again for a new video very soon. Bye bye.